RC car came in from Tamiya. Dark Impact. Sounds
like a meteor was coming down to Earth.
So what can you tell me about this?
It's black.
And it's quite a modern build as far as, can we call it a re-release? Is it even old enough to call it a re-release?
It's not a re-release, but it runs within that sort of era. So it's different to the TD2s and 4s, which is like a tribute type. This is carrying on with the Tamiya tradition of making kits.
Making kits.
Yeah.
And this is a run-of-the-mill. So this has got ball diffs. This is what, 2013?
Yeah, something like that.
2013, something around that. I want to say 2006, somewhere around that.
So it's got a sort of a modern look to it. So it's got a sort of modern racing buggy look to it.
It does. It's got 2.2-inch wheels. It's got modern tread tires.
Yep.
Instead of those big, thick, pointy ones like we just had on the Astute. Four-wheel drive transmission.
Yep.
With the prop shaft down the one side.
Yep.
It's got the CVA shocks. It's really cool to have this back in. I don't think it's going to hang around long.
Probably not.
It's really cool that this is something that kids can get into, or anybody can get into, build and go and play and have fun.
That's right.
Without having to put up with the, I don't want to say the crap of an old hotshot, but the crap
of
an old hotshot.
Well, it definitely will handle better than the re-rees. It doesn't have the same nostalgic value.
No, but it's probably stronger too and more practical. Which is what it's all about.
Yep.
Something worth noting on all the latest Tamiya shipments is they're coming without speedies.
That's right.
So even previous kits that came with motors and speedies, due to what's been going on the past couple of years,
the chip shortage and
the great chip shortage of current times, Tamiya aren't able to supply speed controllers.
Yeah.
However, we here at Hearns are, aren't we? And we've got
so some of our cars come with speedies.
Yeah, some of them come with. We've already put in the speedies. Some of our classic re-rees, but there's not many left actually. Like the Frog, that was an exclusive that we put the speedies in.
Yes.
Like a hot shot. Those ones, but all these modern ones now. So I think the kits are actually cheaper than they were a year ago because
there's no speedy in them.
There's no speedies in them.
Yeah.
So they seem good. It's just something to be wary of if you are buying yourself Tamiya kit. Just double check on the specs because chances are it doesn't have a speed controller in it anymore. And our 9-step speed controller is a great little unit, fits in. I've got one in the Frog that we've been thrashing around.
Works well.
I've got one right here.
Oh, have you? There's one you prepared earlier.
There's one we prepared earlier.
One of those?
Yep. So something like that, under $50, good little speed controller. Splash proof. It's plug and play as far as it will plug straight in. Plug straight into the Tamiya unit.
Settings.
So it can be LiPo and nickel metal. It's got a forward, brake and reverse. Tamiya plug on it. So all very straightforward. Plug and play, easy to calibrate. Super cool. So keep that in mind if you're getting yourself a new Tamiya.